If you are feeling frustrated or stuck in your manifestations, then listen up, because in this video, I am going to reset you live as you watch. And after watching this video, you are going to be shocked at just how quickly things turn around for you and how much more easily you can start manifesting things into your life without all of the struggle. Because you are going to be running a completely different set of subconscious instructions than you were running when you first clicked on this video. It's a big promise, but let's get into it. But before we do anything, I need you to hear me on this, because even though it feels like it, you're not actually stuck. And there's no such thing as a person who simply cannot manifest. There are just people running on an old set of subconscious instructions and in turn getting really extremely inconsistent results based on those instructions. That's all that it is. So let's simplify it and name what it is. So the fix for this is not more effort, it's not another technique, and it's not you finally figuring out the secret that everybody else supposedly knows. The fix is a reset. So that's exactly what we're going to do today, right now. And really quickly, before we get into the reset, if you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm Mary Kate, and I'm a mindset coach and transformation expert focused on getting you real results. Here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. And I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you are ready for this reset, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button down below. And once you do that, let's get right into it. I am so excited to get started. Here is what I need you to understand first, because this reset will not hold if you skip this part. So let me set you up for success, because your brain is actually a prediction machine. And that is one of the most supported models in neuroscience right now. Your brain's not sitting there passively waiting to see what happens to you. It's constantly running forward and guessing what's about to happen next based on everything that's already happened. And this is kind of a key part of your survival. And then it simply compares the guess to your reality. So when your brain has a lot of information that says that money is hard to come by, or that things don't work out for you, or things fall apart at the last minute, or that you always end up disappointed, or that you don't get what you want, it doesn't just remember that, it predicts it, and then it builds the next moment out of it, and the next. But this is where it gets really interesting for you. Because if you say the words, "I can't manifest," you're not actually describing a limitation. Instead, you're handing your brain a prediction. And your brain is very, very, very good at making its predictions come true. It starts to filter what you notice, and it decides kind of what feels worthy of trying. It decides which opportunities are real and which ones you should skip right over. So it's not that you're failing at manifesting, you're succeeding at manifesting the thing that you already decided was true, which might not be what you want. Does that make sense? So this reset is us going in and changing the prediction, therefore changing the result. And we're gonna do that right now, live in this video. And you can go ahead and save this video and come back to it anytime you need a reset. There's no limit. You can come back daily, weekly, monthly, whenever you're feeling kind of stuck in your manifesting, come back and use this process we're about to go through. So wherever you are and whatever you're doing, be fully present with me so you can really listen. You don't have to close your eyes or anything, but really just be paying attention and being in this experience. You don't need any tools. Just be here with me now. And right now, I want you to say your current subconscious instructions out loud. And what I mean by that is, what is the sentence that's kind of been running in the background for you regarding whatever it is that you're manifesting? And this could be something like, "Oh, I can't afford that." Or, "It just never works out for me." Or, "Everybody else gets it and I don't." Here's one I see a lot. Every time money comes in, something takes it away. Take a few seconds and notice the actual sentence out loud. What's running in the background about what you're manifesting? And you might have more than one. That's totally fine. If you need to pause this video, go ahead. And I know this might feel strange, and I know that part of you maybe doesn't want to say it because you're worried that saying it actually makes it more true. Sometimes it's kind of scary to face the actual truth. But that sentence has been running underneath everything you do all day, completely unexamined. And the moment that you say it out loud, it stops becoming the operating system that happens automatically, and it becomes instead something that you're actually looking at and facing. You sort of moved it from behind your eyes to in front of your eyes. And there is a whole body of research on this in psychology around labeling, where naming what you're experiencing in plain words actually reduces the intensity of the reaction to it. So you kind of face it in order to kind of disarm it. So you just did that with your own limiting belief. So say it out loud again. And this might feel silly, but we're about to do a specific exercise and just follow along. So go ahead and say it out loud again, your limiting belief. And now place your hand over your heart and say, that's not true. Now do it again. Say it again. And place your hand over your heart. That's not true. You could do this with your eyes open, your eyes closed. Feel into the connection between your hand and your heart and saying it's not true. You are disarming this. You're changing your mind about this limiting belief that you might have been holding on to for decades. We are changing your subconscious instructions. You're letting that just be the old prediction and deciding in this moment that it's actually not true anymore. And now we are going to physically bring you back to baseline because you can't install a new belief while your body is tense and braced. So I want you to listen first before you follow so you know kind of exactly what we're going to do and how this is going to work. So when I tell you not yet, I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose. And when you get to the top, take a little more air in as much as you can. And then I want a long, slow exhale out of your mouth, making the exhale longer on the way out than it was on the inhale. So again, inhale through your nose to the top, take in as much air as you can. Exhale through your mouth, making it be longer than your inhale. So go ahead and do this twice at your own pace and your own time. Go ahead and start now. And as you do that, let me explain what's happening. So your exhale is actually tied to your parasympathetic nervous system. And when your exhale is longer than your inhale, it slows down your heart rate and it works on your actual physiology in about 30 seconds. So if you're doing this right, about 2 to 3 breaths can bring you to this relaxed and receptive state where we can then install your new baseline. So by now, you should have done at least 2 to 3 breaths doing the inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. And now is where we will reset this old instruction and install a new one that actually gets you the results you want. But I need you to be very careful here because this is the part where most people kind of mess it up unknowingly. So I see a lot that sometimes people go for the biggest, boldest statement they could make, and it's so disconnected that it doesn't actually work. I applaud the bravery, but we need something more simple. So you don't want to have statements like, I am a billionaire. I am famous, I own a mansion, I won the lottery today. Nothing is wrong with that. But there's some part of you that immediately goes, no, I'm not. And I call this an echo back, and it's extremely powerful to understand what your subconscious mind actually accepts. That little tiny subconscious argument you just started with yourself is almost worse than just saying nothing at all, because that little echo back of, I'm not, has just reinforced the exact thing that you're trying to change, if that makes sense. So we're not going to do those big, bold, kind of unbelievable, disconnected statements. What we are going for is what I like to call obvious certainty. A statement so plain and believable that your mind has nothing to argue with. Just like how you would say, of course the sky is blue. Of course my phone charges when I plug it in. There's no debate in your mind because that's just how things work. So here is your reset statement that I'm going to give to you. I always get what I want or better. So say it out loud with me. I always get what I want or better. And now say it again. I always get what I want or better. Do you see how I'm saying that with obvious certainty? So say it one more time and let it be laughable and boring. I always get what I want or better. Here's the thing. I don't want you to perform this. I don't want you to push feeling into it or try and make it anything it's not. Just say it the way you would say your name or your phone number. Like, obviously, I always get what I want or better. And notice I didn't have you claim a specific dollar amount or a specific outcome. We're leaving a little room for magic. And your subconscious will always reject a claim that it has no evidence for, but it will accept a direction. And really, a direction is all we need to change what you notice and what you attract. So we are almost done with the reset, but let me know how you're feeling right now, because this next part is actually my favorite part, but I think you can finally feel things beginning to kind of make sense and shift. But let's move into the next part where we are going to activate a part of your brain called the reticular activating system. And this is one of my absolute favorite ways to manifest anything. So what we're going to do is give your brain one specific thing to find. Because here's the thing about the statement we just installed. It's not the words that work. It's the filtering. So your brain takes in an enormous amount of information every single second, and it basically lets almost none of it through to your conscious attention. But something has to decide what does bring it to your attention. And what makes that decision is heavily influenced by what you've told your brain is important to you, which is exactly what the reticular activating system does. So you already know how this works because you use this every single day without even realizing it. It's almost like the second you start thinking about a certain car, you start seeing the cars everywhere. They were always there, but your filter changed. You brought attention to something that was important to you, something that was on your mind. So now we're going to change your filter for manifestation. So here I am ready to do your filter change. So for the next 24 hours, you are going to be looking for one thing, which is unexpected miracles, both big and small. That is it. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overthink it. You're not looking at money specifically or a whole manifestation. Just any evidence of miracles, big or small, things working out for you without you forcing it. And I don't want you to discount something just because it seems small. What I mean by unexpected miracles is maybe a penny on the ground, or a shorter line than you expected, or maybe a refund you forgot about, or someone offering you something. Or maybe as you're driving, you get all of the green lights on your way, or an amazing parking spot, or maybe even just a message you needed at the perfect time. I do not care how small it is. Your only job for the next 24 hours is to collect proof. And every time you get that little bit of proof, I want you to say to yourself, there it is. That's the reset locking in. Because every time you notice a piece of evidence, you are handing your brain confirmation of this new prediction we're installing. And after enough confirmations, it stops being this statement that you're repeating and it starts being a thing that you just assume. Because manifestation is not convincing yourself of something. It's almost you accumulating enough proof that you stop needing to convince yourself, if that makes sense. And if you really want to keep this reset going and really accelerate your results, I have 2 tools that I want to share with you. The first is my Lucky Syndrome affirmation deck. This is totally free. You can grab it up here, or I'll also link it in the description box below. This Lucky affirmation deck has science-based affirmations that work to reprogram your subconscious mind for luck and abundance in just seconds per day. And the second tool I wanted to share with you is the 7-day abundance reset. Inside of these 7 days, every day you get one built-in audio that speaks directly to your subconscious. You listen, you follow a quick experiment, answer the journal prompts, and your brain starts filtering for a totally different reality. This is an insanely powerful reset, and you get lifetime access to use over and over and over again. And I have now had hundreds of people who've gone through this program with incredible results. So you can access this 7-day reset by clicking the link up here, and I'll also link it in the description box below for you. That is a great tool to really accelerate this reset. So for the next 24 hours, you are going to look for unexpected miracles. And then what I want you to do is come back to this video and leave me a comment telling me what showed up. I read through all of the comments here on my channel, and I truly love hearing from you. And if you've made it this far through the reset, I want you to leave me your favorite emoji down below. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.